everybody, it is Couponing with D. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I've been gone for a little while. It's been the holidays, taking time off from couponing and spending it with family. Happy holidays to everyone out there. Happy Kwanzaa, happy Hanukkah, whatever it is that you celebrate. Please enjoy it with the family because we never know when is our last day here. Today, I am coming to you all with a Walmart Ibotta haul. First, to start off with, I purchased one Snuggle softener for $8.56. I purchased 5 Glad trash bags at $4.98 for a total of $24.90. I purchased 1 Lysol wipes for $2.34. I purchased 3 of the Finish Quantum dishwasher tabs for $3.77 each for a total of $11.31. I purchased 1 Febreze odor eliminator for $8.84, 1 Jet Dry rinse for $3.97, 1 Finish dishwasher cleaner 3-count tabs for $4.97. I also purchased 1 Quilted Northern for $5.98. I purchased 1 Suavitel dryer sheets for $6.97. I purchased 1 of the Scotch Brite non-scratch for $4.14, and the green Scotch Brite sponges were $3.98. I also picked up 1 Nutri-Air for $3.97. My grand total was $89.93, but I paired it with the following coupons. I had 1 Snuggle IP $1 off 1. I had 5 Glad trash bag IPs for $2.75. I had 1 IP for the Lysol wipes, 55 cents. I had 3 of the 12-5 Smart Source Finish Quantums, $2 off 1. Then I used 2 of the 12-5 Smart Source $1 off 1 Finish products. I had 1 internet printable for 50 cents, $1.50 off the Quilted Northern. I had an IP for 55 cents off of the Lysol disinfecting spray, the Nutri-Air down there. I also had a $2 hang tag for the Febreze odor eliminator. My total in coupons was $27.35. I used a gift card, then it brought my total down to $62.58. I used a gift card for $54.14, bringing my total now down to $8.44 out of pocket before taxes. I submitted it to Fetch for 390 points, and I got back $20.75 for everything you see on the table. Plus, I finished the Weekend Warrior and the Candy Cane bonuses for an additional $15. My total in rebates were $36.14. Once everything was said and done, it was a $27.70 moneymaker. This is my round 1 of Ibotta and Walmart. I will be going into round 2 of Ibotta because now I need to complete my midweek milestone. And I get $3 for completing 15 offers, but I only need 9 more. So most of these items will be repeated. The Nutri-Air, the trash bags, the Lysol wipes, the Quilted Northern, and the dryer sheets I am going to purchase again. But this time I'm going to add Lysol laundry sanitizer. I'm going to add Wet One wipes, the Clorox wipes, and the Downy Unstoppables. That will be my next video to come. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you on the next one.